Tired of trading your time for money? The dream of passive income, money flowing in even while you sleep, is oh so tempting. But with so many options out there, which ones are truly the best? Today, we're ranking the top passive income investments, dissecting their pros and cons to help you find the perfect fit for your financial goals. Before we dive in, remember, there's no single best option. The ideal investment depends on your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and starting capital. Here are the top contenders in the passive income ring. Number 5. Dividend-paying stocks, the classic contender. Pros: established companies with a history of paying out regular dividends. Provide steady income and potential for capital appreciation. Cons: stock market volatility can impact payouts and stock price. Requires research to choose reliable dividend payers. Number 4. Rental properties, building wealth brick by brick. Pros: potential for long-term wealth building through appreciation and rental income. Provides a tangible asset. Cons: requires ongoing management and maintenance. Vacancies can disrupt income flow, subject to market fluctuations. 3. Peer-to-peer lending, a modern twist on lending. Pros: potentially higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Offers diversification benefits. Cons: risk of borrower default. Platform fees can eat into profits. Investment regulations can vary. Number 2. Royalties, earning from your creativity. Pros: passive income from things you create, e.g. books, music, apps. Potential for long-term earnings if your creation is successful. Cons: highly competitive market. Success can be unpredictable. Requires upfront investment of time and resources. Number 1. The champion, low-cost index funds, our top pick. Pros: broad diversification minimizes risk. Historically strong track record for long-term growth. Relatively low fees. Cons: not entirely passive, requires periodic rebalancing. Growth can be slower than some options. The best approach often involves a combination of these passive income options. This helps spread risk and create a more stable income stream. Passive income isn't a magic bullet. Every investment carries some level of risk. Research thoroughly and understand your risk tolerance before investing. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance. So, which passive income champion will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more investment tips and tricks to help you on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, with the right knowledge and strategy, you can unlock the power of passive income and watch your money grow, even while you sleep.